Children are gifts from God. Giving birth to a child is a divine grace every woman ought to experience. Once you're medically sound and your husband is medically sound, you ought to have your own baby. That is a proven fact. But sometimes there are things that may hinder it. Why not follow us to today's video? Let us take you step by steps with natural remedies on what you can do during, before and after your menstrual flow to get pregnant. So if you're yet to subscribe with us, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you for doing that. Now, getting pregnant is divine. God has given us some things that we can use to help ourselves get those results as soon as possible. What and what I will be needing for this? Get your pen and paper ready. 1. We'll be needing our cloves. Yes, in case you don't know now, there are some infections that may be hidden. You may not see it. Please take cloves. It's going to help you to flush those things out and get you ready for conception. What you need to do is to soak cloves for a period of 24 hours and start taking the tea morning and evening for the period of 1 week before your menstrual flow. You can as well use it to wash your down parts. Then during your menstrual flow, depends on how many days you used to go, you ought to get guava leaf, boil it and start taking the tea morning and evening. If you have heavy flow already, please don't do this. It's going to increase it. You have another alternative on what to use, but if you have scanty or normal flow, use guava leaf, guava tea morning and evening. You will see a better result. Now, if you have a heavy flow, I urge you to please use this. This is Addis fruits. Get it, boil it and start drinking the tea morning and evening. It's gonna help you sensitize and then help you to release more estrogen, that is hormone that is responsible for release of egg. Remember I said during your menstrual flow. Then the last day of your menstrual flow, soak okra and take it the next day. That's the last day. Immediately after your menstrual flow, take okra tea for at least 2 days. And then you are good to go. Remember I said if you're medically sound and your husband is medically sound, you ought to do this. Either you do this or you have another alternative in case you don't like the taste of okra. Another one that will also help you to your hormone to release more estrogen, that is our so-called soya milk or soya beans. Just have to get it and start taking the tea. It will help you, it will enhance the production of egg. And then at the appointed time, you need to meet your husband for the needful. I wish you good luck and I wish you success. I believe this will this will help you. Why not share it to friends? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Love and thank you.